Hey friends, if you wish to enable, configure and set autoplay defaults on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select autoplay. Now you will be able to view all the removable devices, for example an external hard disk, let's say a memory card, or let's say a removable USB disk or something. So you can choose options amongst between configure storage settings, take no action, open the folder to view files, and ask every time. Okay, so you can choose defaults here. In some cases you'll find many more defaults. For example, if that disk has videos, you can choose this option to play video files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.